After many requests, I'm happy to finally show you our everything blizzard. So it starts with chocolate sauce and hot fudge, then some caramel, marshmallow, cocoa fudge, and then cotton candy syrup. Then we add our fruit sauces, which is strawberry, pineapple, and then cherry. To start with the candy, we add coffee crisp, cotton candy, Smarties, and then Reese peanut butter cups. Then we add some peanuts before adding some turtle pieces, brownie dough, chocolate chunks, brownie pieces, score, O. Henry, and then Reese's pieces. Then we add some coconut, sprinkles, and pecans. Then we add some mint sauce and then Oreos. After topping it off and blending, it's time for the taste test.
I don't know what this tastes like.
Next up for my family is my mom, who's gotten this blizzard for as long as I can remember. It's a small Reese Outrageous with no Reese's Pieces. So half a pump of caramel, half a pump of peanut butter sauce, and then 2 scoops of Reese peanut butter cups. After blending, you can go ahead and scrape the collar, which I had a hard time getting off again. So a lot of Dairy Queens can make this blizzard, so all you have to do is ask for a Reese Outrageous with no Reese's Pieces.
Hi, today we're going to be making the blizzard of the month, the drumstick blizzard. First fill up the cup a little bit above the line and do the Dairy Queen curl. Then put the collar on. Next, since this is a small, we're going to be adding 2 scoops of chopped nuts, 2 scoops of chocolate covered waffle cone pieces, and 2 ladles of chocolate cone coating. To blend, make sure the spindle is all the way down to the bottom of the cup, then blend it for about 10 to 15 seconds to make sure everything is incorporated in the blizzard. Then take off the collar and smooth down the ice cream, and to finish off you're going to flip the blizzard and it's ready to serve.
12 times a year, Dairy Queen features a new flavor as our blizzard of the month. For August, it's Oreo Fudge Brownie, which contains a little bit of cocoa fudge, 2 scoops of brownie pieces, and then 2 pulls of Oreo. Now, most of the time with these blizzards, they can only be offered during that 1 month, but we have the ingredients for this all year round, so past August, you can still order it. For anyone who wants to try something new at Dairy Queen, I'm going to start posting some of my family's orders so that you guys can try them on your next visit to DQ. First up is my brother, who always gets a small mint Oreo with extra Oreo. Owning a Dairy Queen means we get to make crazy combinations of our blizzards, so if anyone has anything they want me to try, comment below and I'll try to make a video. Continuing with my family's orders, next up we have my grandparents, who always get the best yet simplest blizzard out there, which is an Oreo blizzard. So for a small, you just add some vanilla soft serve and then 2 pulls of Oreo. Now, a couple days ago I downloaded the app Tik Tok on their phone, so if you guys are watching this, hi, but with their level of expertise in technology, I seriously doubt it.
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Hey! Shh, dude, no. You gotta go like, hey. Oh, okay. Wait. My words.
my god.
Rocky road, take me home to the place I belong. Indiana, Dairy Queen, take me home. Rocky road.
DQ secret menu item. First, fill it up with ice cream. Add brownies. Add Heath. Add chocolate chunks. Add Oreos. Cold fudge. Hot caramel. Fill it up with ice cream and blend. Add whipped cream. And voila.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing, and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun.